I'm filming a video that I've never ever filmed before on my channel. We're doing an exclusive promo codes only video. That means in today's video, every single product is going to be on deal and every single product is going to be on such a good deal that these are like insider promo codes. You can't scour the internet and find these yourself. This is like data, hidden deals, and I'm sharing them all with you today because you guys have been so amazing to me. You continue to tune into my channel. You are the absolute best, and I know that it's really, really hard to find actually good deals, especially now that there's Black Friday week and Black Friday month and all that good stuff. First, we're starting with this abstract art set of 3. So it's very modern, organic. This is something you would put in a modern organic home, in a contemporary home, if you're trying to get that RH look for less or that pottery barn look for less. Let me tell you the deal though. You get this set of 3 paintings. They were 16 by 24 each. So 16 by 24, 16 by 24, 16 by 24. This entire set of 3 is normally $95.99. With my exclusive promo code deal, this is $30.23 for 3 pieces of artwork. Now, is this the most sophisticated artwork you're ever gonna find? No. But if you want something cheap, maybe for like a bathroom, you want something that's like not super expensive so that it's not ruined by the steam, this is going to be a phenomenal option. Next, I wanna share Aloha's nightlight. So you guys know I love these nightlights. They make the plug-in sconce nightlights that I talk about all the time. Now this one isn't that style. This is honestly like gonna be great for your kids' room. If you have a more whimsical home, this honestly reminds me of the Rose and the Beauty of the Beast, but this nightlight is on promo code deal. With this deal, it's normally $15.99. It's $12.79 for Black Friday, but with this deal, it comes down to being around $6.49. Next, we have this motion sensor outlet switch. So I've shared something like this before, but this is really cool because basically you will attach it to the plug of an item. So whether it's your Christmas tree or a lamp or something like that. And when you walk into the room, the item will automatically turn on. You don't need to flip a switch or open an app on your phone or anything like that. This is normally $31.49. And with this deal, it's $15.75. Now you've seen me share these clips before. They're normally around $10 for the set. For Black Friday deal, they're around $6.60. But today you're gonna get a set of 6 of these for $5.51. Now, if you've had your eye on the Aura frame, but you want something just a little bit more affordable, you're gonna love this. And yes, the Aura frame is on deal, but it's still really, really, really expensive. So this alternative is normally around $130, but with this coupon code, you get it for $65. It's 17 inches wide, touchscreen, super easy to use, and it gets a 4.5 star rating on Amazon. And you guys know I do not shut up about the mattress vacuum because I think it's an incredible product because it helps you get all that dust and debris out of your upholstery, whether it's your sofa or whether it's your mattress that you just cannot see with the naked eye. This one is normally $99, and with this promo code, it is $50. And who in their right mind wouldn't want a heated throw? I love a good heated blanket. Everyone in my family has one because it keeps you warm and it cuts down on your electricity bill. This one is normally $67.99. With today's promo code, you are going to get it for $25.50. And this candle warmer is so luxe. I love how it's smoky, it's moody, it really is a decorative accent. It's normally around $35, and today it's $24 with this promo code. And I will say almost every product in today's video is already at a reduced price due to Black Friday, so a lot of the prices I'm telling you are the already reduced price. So that candle warmer is normally around $50, it's on sale for $34, and then with the additional promo code, you're able to get it for $24. And one of my favorite brands of flameless candle is on deal today. You get a set of 3. They're normally $20. They're on Black Friday deal for $17.99, but you can get them with this promo code for $9.81. And this means you can stock up on a bunch of these, and these are outdoor safe, which means you can use them on your patio, you can use them in your backyard, you can use them next summer, and you can also use them in the spring for next fall for like trick-or-treating season. And I've been seeing these cordless table lamps absolutely everywhere, especially at the swanky restaurants that like you read about. I always see them in like the influencer pics. Well, these ones are on deal. They're normally $28.48. You get a set of 2, which is already honestly a pretty good price. But today you're gonna get them for $15.54. And truly, everyone loves the towel warmer, but they can be very, very pricey. This one is normally $146, but now it's around $80 thanks to this coupon. I'm telling you, if you're always cold when you get out of the shower or you want the spa vibes at home, a towel warmer is going to be a game changer for you. And everyone is going on about microplastic these days, and rightfully so. You know what, I'll talk about that another time. So if you're trying to move away from plastic cutting boards, you're going to like this titanium cutting board. Now it's normally around $25 just for one. But with this promo code, you're gonna get it for about 15% off for $14.99. And I did buy one of these. I do really like it. The only qualm I will say is that if your knives are really sharp, you will see the cuts on the titanium, but food for thought. The brand Kitsch has so many promo code deals, so I'm gonna run through them all for you right now. First, we have the satin line beanie. It's normally $11.99, it's $9.57 for Black Friday, and with this promo code, it's $8.61. Their satin pillowcase is normally $24. It's on deal for Black Friday for $19.19, and we've got it for $17.27. I'll link more of their deals and the promo codes down below, but I don't have any here, so I feel like I can't really talk about this, so just check out my description box. This king size velvet quilt is normally $69.99. I mean, really, really expensive, and it does come with 2 shams as well. For Black Friday, it's $49.99, but with my promo code deal, you're gonna get it for $29.06. Now, if you love a good dusted on nightlight, so do I. This brand is very similar to Lohas. Honestly, they probably use the same retailer. You normally get this set of 2 for $25. They're on sale for Black Friday for $20, but my deal is gonna get you the set of 2 for $8.99. Another deal that's pretty good, but a little bit ambiguous, is this Egyptian cotton comforter. It's a duvet or a duvet insert. The deal can apply to so many of their products, but I wanted to just like link it here for you. I'll put the promo code and you can kind of like play around with it, but some of them it gets 20% off, some of it gets 10% off, and it really depends upon the size and like the style that you choose, but this is really great. This comforter gets a 4.4 stars on Amazon and has over 8,000 reviews. Now this deal was so good, I could not believe it. I had to add to cart a few times, and I like sent it to all my friends to make sure it was legit because it's insane. If you've been wanting to get the Chico stroller travel system, that is the car seat, it's the stroller, all of that, it's normally $425. This deal gets it for you for half off. If there is someone in your life who like needs a stroller or something like this could be revolutionary for them. It takes the price from $425 to $245. My crevice cleaner brushes that I'm always talking about is normally around $7 for 3. They're on sale for Black Friday for $5.99, but you're gonna get the set of 3 for $3. If you've been wanting a food vacuum sealer, this one is normally $239.99. It's on deal for Black Friday for $69.99, making it 71% off. So for Black Friday deal, that brings it to around $67.99. You're going to get it for around $39 worth of deal, which is absolutely insane. I mean, you're honestly getting this vacuum sealer for free. If you've been wanting an electric salt and pepper shaker, this one is on deal. I know that they can be kind of pricey. This one is normally $25.99, but with my deal, you're gonna get it for $18.91. And yes, it does come with both the salt shaker and the pepper shaker. Another great deal is this warming tray. It's normally $69.99. You're gonna get it for half off with this promo code. This coffee mug warmer is normally around $17. It's on Black Friday deal for $12.79, but with this promo code, you're gonna get it for $6.40. This is gonna be an awesome stocking stuffer, and it's way more affordable than like an Ember mug or something like that, and honestly, that involves way too much charging. If you've been thinking about getting a projector in lieu of a television, this is the great deal for you. This is normally $69.99, and with the promo code, you're gonna get it for $34.99. Then now this iPhone 16 fast charger set of 2 is normally around $14. You're gonna get it for $6.50. If you've been wanting one of those acrylic hat organizers that are always going viral on Instagram, this one is normally $14 and it's going for $7. This food scale is normally $18.99 and you're gonna get it for $9.49. This headband organizer is normally $6 and you're gonna get it for $3. But that's it for today's video. I know that the products were kind of all over everywhere, but most of these deals are at least 30% off. Many of them are 50% off. Some of them are even higher. I just wanted to give you an opportunity to save a ton of money on top of those Black Friday deals, and I really sifted through them and found ones that I think would actually be useful. Most of them are household basics, but I hope that this is really helpful for you, and let me know if you enjoyed this style of video. I've linked everything down below. Again, all of these deals are subject to change, so if you're clicking on it and it's not popping up, I do apologize. I can't control that, but I did my best to find promo codes that expired on December 1st. That was like the latest I could push it. But thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to see any of my other Black Friday deals, be sure to stay tuned for my video that comes out tomorrow. And then I do have a video that went live on Monday as well, where I outline a lot of Black Friday deals that are still going on that may even be on better deal right now. So head back to that description box and I'll even link some of the items down below right now. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.